Okay, so up until this point, we took a look at the formed elements. Just to refresh your memory, you know that the formed elements are the leukocytes, the platelets, and the erythrocytes. So that's the living part of this connective tissue, and that the non-living part, or the plasma, makes up 55% of the total blood volume, and that's made up mostly of water. So all of the formed elements are formed through the process of hematopoiesis, and that just means blood cell formation, and that occurs in the red bone marrow. So you think about where you have red bone marrow. Wherever you have spongy bone is where you're going to find red bone marrow. So they all formed elements through the process of hematopoiesis are going to develop into a mature, like, red blood cell or a white blood cell, etc. But they all come from the same stem cell, which is a hemocytoblast. Okay, so that's just the stem cell that's going to differentiate into the various formed elements. So basically what happens is that the hemocytoblast in the red bone marrow is going to receive a chemical signal, and it's going to enter into a developmental pathway, or it becomes a committed cell. Once it becomes a committed cell, it can't change its mind, and it's just going to continue and follow that pathway till it matures. So we'll take a look at the different kind of like subcategories of hematopoiesis. You have erythropoiesis, which is red blood cell production, leukopoiesis, which is white blood cell production, and then thrombopoiesis, which is platelet production. And we'll take a look at those in other videos.